Okay. Morgan, I don't know, is this yours? Remember, we're back on Xenon, or?
I'm gonna agree to disagree here. But I would like for you to watch like the 2 minutes of the video that I think.
So Judge, I also, because you had this question yesterday, I called Fort Bend and they confirmed it. The Fort Bend County aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, it's just sealed, and that's why it didn't pop up.
It's just what?
It's sealed at the moment.
Sealed. Is it a new case? Is it an old case?
It was just filed in November, Judge.
Wow.
But the offense date was in March.
Okay, so that's what I'm asking. It was the offense date, it was March of 24.
Yes.
So it was allegedly committed prior to, now nevertheless, it's still a warrant.
It was.
But how on earth has it never been?
It's because, so they'll unseal it whenever an arrest happens, Judge. The case was filed. He had 2 other charges in this county, even that he caught even after that one.
I'm so confused. You know that there's a, Fort Bend knows that there's a felony warrant, a dangerous felony warrant, and they failed to execute that warrant over and over. He's been on probation. He's been meeting with his
meeting in here that he's got on 2 years probation for, and then had also a UCW here that he caught after that, and another assault of a pregnant person that he caught here after that, and then another UCW that he caught here after that. So he had just a string of cases, and I mean, the list goes on. But there was just a string of cases that he caught even after that. So I guess they just never, I don't know.
I will tell you the shenanigans from my experience that Fort Bend does. So if they think they're going to TDC, I have seen them let them go to TDC, wait till they even make parole or discharge or finish that sentence, right? And then they're out and they go, oh, now we're going to file you. And then parole goes, oh, now we're going to revoke your parole. Those are the shenanigans that I've seen.
Judge,
and this has been going on for years out there, like prior administration continuing.
But I mean, I guess ultimately at the end of the day, even if that happens, like, let's just say the parole board's going to look and see that it was like extremely old, right? I would have a think.
So you're going to extend him for 6 months. Yeah. You want a short reset?
Very short reset, like
3 days?
No, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to make sure that he's paying.
Okay, great. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's around holiday. So can I make it like 4 weeks?
Okay, yeah. Hey, so
Joe.
Joe.
Yes.
So what I'd like to do is, I guess, set it every couple weeks to make sure that he's paying into the registry to make sure that he's paying. First time he doesn't think.
Okay. So,
what's that?
So, excuse me. Shatoria said that he can't make payments to the registry. He's going to have to pay it in full. So he's going to have to.
What?
Joe has to.
So how do they say that he's got 2,200 then, or 2,100?
So he has 2,200 to say. He told him I have 2,200 in my
Oh,
bank. So he's going to bring that to my office on Monday, and then I'll stick that on my IOTA account.
perfect. Then I'm happy to do it that way.
Okay.
If I so trust you, if you tell me that he's been paying you,
Yes, sir.
I'm happy.
Okay, sir.
So let's do this. Let's set it to Monday. I want to know that he's paid you that, at least that amount.
Okay.
And then we'll set it every, 2 weeks after that to make sure that he's paying you. And it doesn't have to be much, it could be, 50, 75, $100, but I want to know that he's faithfully paying it off. And then, or we can, calculate or have him tell me what is a reasonable amount every 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
And then
Parents going to be waived every 2 weeks?
if he pays,
Okay. If he pays.
the first time he failed,
I'm not going to read it. It doesn't matter.
is in,
I mean, it doesn't matter. It's on video. It
So I'll
doesn't
make a
matter.
note.
Okay.
Parents required, but
correct.
if he
Right.
pays.
On video, guys. Like, I watched it. I'm not crazy. Like, it's on video.
Sorry to keep
Let's
waiting.
talk to Judge about it.
Okay. You're still upset?
Yes, I watched the video and I'm even more upset, Judge.
So Judge, we just want to address some of the questions that defense and you had yesterday. Defense was saying that he felt that interference statute was overbroad. We found case law saying that it's, or vague, that it's unconstitutionally vague. We found case law saying that it's not unconstitutionally vague. It's from DeContal versus State. I've tendered it to defense. Can I approach
Sure,
judge?
I gotta imagine that if it was unconstitutionally vague, someone would have challenged it and it would have,
Well, maybe they haven't had my case yet.
Okay.
and, I'm happy for you to make new law, always.
Judge, did I hand you DeContal versus State? I did, just,
The Canto.
yes.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's out of Court 8 in Harris County.
That's for this case.
So why are you saying that there's no PC in this case?
Is there a PC for something else? Yes. Is there for the interference with public duties? No. I mean, because it's on video, it didn't happen, Judge. So they get calls for an assault, a disturbance, whatever.
You're telling me the fact that they're saying he goes plank in the car while
He doesn't.
he's being arrested
He
doesn't
does
happen?
not go plank. It's on video, Judge.
Would they say he uses his, I guess he uses
He's in
his,
handcuffs.
The officer has to place his hand on the chest of the defendant to get the defendant to sit back in the car. He also has to grab his legs and push them back into the car. We also watch the video.
We watched the video and we have a timestamp, Judge.
could it be that okay, so I know that a lot of times when they're putting a defendant into the car, they need help, right? They're unable to do it by themselves, or is he actively resisting getting into the car?
He tried exiting the vehicle, Judge. And
No,
that's
he-
why they had to push him back into it.
He leans forward. He's yelling at his mom, record, call. The third time they have taken him out. This is 3 times. They put him in the car and they take him out so they can search him. The cop is sitting there going, oh, well, search him again. We can search him 20 times. If you feel you need to search him 20 times, search him 20 times for your safety. The cop doesn't even know what he's charging him with. DA hasn't been caught. The cop's sitting there go, we're getting you for resisting transport. Resisting transport. That is what the cop thinks he's taking of it. DA, Officer Singh, it's a 27-minute video. Okay? At no point is the DA's office called to this point. Okay? That happens after. Fine. For an assault, they can argue. I can argue case law. Ford v. State, specific articulable facts of crime may have occurred. Fine. They are there on an assault. Okay? They didn't take an assault. So then they detain him, right? They find that he has the warrant. So, okay, you're taking him in on the warrant. Fine.
Judge, it's
It's
common for officers to conduct an investigation before they call intake. That's not an abnormal
Yeah,
thing.
I mean, that's neither here nor there, but the question is he impeding the arrest or the function of arrest? Because I guess that you guys are basing the interference on the fact that he's not allowing him that, what's his name again?
Xenon, Your Honor.
Mr. Xenon is not allowing the officer to arrest him by putting him in the car.
Respectfully, Judge, the officer doesn't even have to be arresting him. They just have to be looking into any legitimate matter. And then he's interfering with that. And I will say, if he'd already been in the car 3 times, like defense pointed out, I would think he wouldn't need help getting in. So to us, it appears as though he's trying to push out. The officer has to put his hand on his chest to push him back into the car and then take his legs and place them into the car.
He was cooperative the whole time. He's on his mom. If anyone's aggressive, it's the cop from the beginning.
Judge, the
And
cop-
I asked at the court's discretion, watch the video. You only need to watch like 2 minutes, the 13 to 15 minute mark, Your Honor. I mean, that's all you really need to watch on this.
Judge, there's-
Watch or no?
We can watch the video, Judge.
Cue it up. Let's watch. Can you put it on the screen somehow? So we can all watch?
we can just go to the back and watch it. Do you want to hook it up?
No,
I
no.
don't, because he has issues hooking his computer up to the technology.
It's just the first.
Yeah, it's this one.
Judge, did you want to watch the whole video or did you?
No,
want to-
just the relevant portion. I don't need to see the whole thing. No, just that part that's relevant. You know, I guess if you wouldn't just put it right there and just turn it around,
Yeah, just put it
just
up
right
there.
on the table. Yeah, right there. And set it.
I'm just turning the volume up, Judge, as well.
He talking about don't let them pull up. They talking about I got a warrant out for Fort Bend County for assault. Look, he pushing me. Mama, record him. Mama, look. Mama, look. Record him.
Now you're under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
Yep,
for
you
what?
got a new charge, Bubba. Resisting transport.
Resisting? I wasn't resisting.
You just resisted transport. Yep. You're going to
What the
jail.
hell is that?
Now you got a new charge. Yep.
Come on.
Thank you,
Police
Judge.
officers are working intake, Judge.
Really? That's it?
That's it, Your Honor.
That's the relevant portion that defense is.
Oh, come on.
The officer is investigating legitimate.
I know, but no. All right, I'm
Do
with
you
you.
see why I'm so upset, Your Honor?
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
You can refile this as resisting.
Yeah, look, yeah, I mean, you're not gonna hurt our feelings. You need to do what you need to do. Perhaps it was the wrong one, but yeah. Was it resisting?
Nope.
My name is Bennett and I ain't in it. But no PC.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey,
Judge, real quick,
I changed it, Melissa. Yeah.
do I need to do anything? Like, I don't know if they're
There's
gonna,
nothing-
well, I wanted to see if, are they filing a dismissal or no? They're not.
You didn't ask them. I
'Cause
mean,
then-
ultimately, they don't have to, right? They can take it to a grand
Well, then I
jury.
stay on it. That's why I'm kind of trying to figure that out.
As far as us,
I'll ask them.
I lose jurisdiction, right? So there's nothing that I can do.
Right, but my question is, but it's not gonna, it doesn't matter. But if Fort Bend's gonna pick him up, right?
Ben
It has 10 days now, right?
No, let me see. Hold on. So he's on probation for the case upstairs.
Motion's been filed up there.
This is the whole case. The charge is named after the moment
Morgan,
happens. If that's
do
not
you know
resisting, what are we
has
really
happened with
watching?
Xenon upstairs? Have they filed the motion? Are
I
they,
haven't filed it yet. I talked to the felony prosecutor. He said their court's been in trial all week, so they haven't gotten a chance. They haven't really looked at it. I think he said he was planning on filing a motion for Judge.
he got arrested on,
So you're all dismissing this right now, or?
She wants to take it to grand jury.
so he got arrested on the 3rd, is that right?
For this case,
Correct. Because once we get him, if there's a hold out of Fort Bend County, they have 10 days from the date of the arrest. Come get him. If they don't come get him, I give a PR bond on the 11th day. Unless I know, and Fort Bend has told me that they're going to, and they've told me they're going to come pick him up. That's the only time I'll hold him an extra day.
So does he need to be appointed a fugitive attorney?
No.
Because it's low.
It's only for
Texas, so-
out-of-state cases. So look, there is a hold out of Fort Bend County. So he's basically bond denied on that case. He cannot get out for any reason because that.
Because of that, right? This isn't holding him,
So-
though,
On
regardless.
the 11th day, if they've not made travel arrangements to come get him, I'm gonna release him and I'll give him a PR bond. So your guys up there have basically another 7 days before.
I'll let him know, Judge.
And so if they refile it, am I still attached, is my other question. Do you even know the answer to that?
I think that your duty now ends as the lawyer
Okay.
unless, are you planning on dismissing it or are you gonna keep it?
They say they're going to refile as a resistant.
We still need to know though, what you want to do with this case. Like if you're going to keep it, because if you do, I have to reset it for some period of time.
Check with Chief really quickly, Judge, and I'll let you know.
Yeah, check on that, because that's gonna depend on my next question.
Regardless, he's in there at least for another week.
Well, real quick, because if I was going to remain attached, then I'm going to ask for a speedy trial.
Yeah, but remember, I got to give
I'm
them,
still attached.
but I got to give them at least 30 days.
Then I'm just going to do the whole PC thing with you again, depending on what the refile is. See what I'm saying? So if they're gonna refile,
If it's, it sounded, you agreed to the resisting too, so.
I can agree to the resisting. No.
No, I'm kidding. But I don't know. Let's see what they say.
I mean, it's not a resisting either.
I don't know, but prior to that, was there with the resisting? The resisting is not there in the car. The resisting was beforehand. I don't know. I mean, as far
I
as I
can show you that as well if I have that.
in case it's never going to go away.
Just
All right.
dismiss it for now, just subject to refile. I think.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, thanks. All right, thank you.